Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to knit a very easy beginner flower. And you can attach these to hats, use them on barrettes, as a brooch, attach it to a cap, on a jean vest or a jacket, on a regular jacket, on a pillow or a bag or a purse, on a journal cover, or even on top of a gift. To knit this flower, I'm working with 6mm knitting needles and worsted weight yarn. Cast on 6 stitches. For this flower, I'm going to knit every row. So knit every row. Okay, I've knit across the first row, knit across the next row. Like that, and I have one here, and you just continue to knit every row until the work measures approximately 11 inches. To cast off, knit the first stitch, knit the next stitch, pull the first stitch over and off the needle. Continue across the row. Knit the next stitch, pull the first stitch over and off the needle. When you get to the end of the row, pull up the loop, cut the yarn, and pull it through that last loop. Thread the yarn end into a yarn needle and weave through one of the long sides of the rectangle. Gather it up, take a stitch to secure it, and then sew the two ends together. I'm just going to bring my yarn back down to the center, tie the two yarn ends together. I can use one yarn end to sew a button in the center and the other yarn end to sew the flower onto your project. And I have a button, so you can just sew that in the center like that. To make a double ruffle flower, make another long strip with a cast on of 4 stitches. And again, work until it's approximately 11 inches. Shape it into a ruffle. Place it over the first one and sew the button in the center. And there you go. That's an easy knitted flower that you can make. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.